All right, not gonna lie, I've been drowning my tears in beers today. My dog Lani sleep. She had cancer throughout her entire body and just was starting to shut down. And man, as tough as that was, it's good knowing that she's not in pain anymore. And I have some incredible memories of my pup, who I've had for 14 years. Truly a part of our family. And it was tough watching her take her last breath today. Again, great life, so many great memories. But with that said, the beat goes on in the economic world, and we're going to talk a little bit about what's happening this week. Not a big week for economic news that's going to move the needle on rates. Monday, we have a China rate decision. Have no idea what they're going to say. Tuesday, Fed Chair Powell is going to speak. We also have a Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index report. That'll move the needle maybe a little bit. Wednesday, we have existing home sales. Not going to move the needle at all, but we'll see if existing home sales is down. The expectation, quite frankly, for me is that it will be down because pending home sales was down last month. We also have a 20-year bond auction. On Thursday, we have the European Central Bank making their decision on their Fed fund equivalent, and then initial and continuing jobless claims. We also have new home sales coming out. So we have a lot of home news coming out, but nothing that's really going to move the market. It's really a result of what the market is giving us as far as interest rates. Then Friday, really not much, just durable goods. So where are we at on rates? Well, we are squarely between 6.8 and 6.9 on conventional 30-year fixed rate. VA, we are in between 6.3 and 6.5, so right around 6.4 as we start the week. And we'll see what the rest of the week comes up with. But I really expect us to stay, from a VA standpoint, somewhere between 6.3 and 6.5. Not a lot of news this week. The big news certainly happens next week, or the following week, with the Fed meeting and whether or not they're going to raise, lower, or keep the rates the same, and then the PCE, the personal consumption expenditure report. All right, that's all I have for you this week. Have a great week, and go hug your pet. All right, aloha.